In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Fitbit Charge 5 clock face. So starting from the Fitbit app on your phone, on your Today tab, go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the upper left-hand corner. Find Charge 5 in your list of devices and tap on it. And then tap on Clock Faces. So this will show you the list of currently available clock faces, and once you find one that you want to switch to, you can go ahead and tap on it. And you can scroll down to see what information you will be able to see on this clock face, as well as some screenshots for the different options, like when you're tapping. And then I'll go ahead and show you this is the current clock face, and if I say install the new clock face, we have a little progress bar starting to go on the Fitbit app here, and then on the Charge 5 itself, it is starting to show a little progress bar for downloading the new clock face to the Charge 5 itself. So you just have to wait for this to install. It shouldn't take more than 30 seconds to a minute maybe. Alright, so we got a update complete on our Charge 5 screen, and there is the new clock face. And then you can tap to interact if there is any kind of interaction. So if you want to change your clock face again, you just do the same thing, tap on another one, tap to install, and just wait for it to install the new clock face, and that's how you change clock faces on your Fitbit Charge 5. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more Fitbit Charge 5 how-to videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.